Sonny, give me this job. You doing a bunch of meth.
Woke up early one morning to the rising sun. It's bonefish season and they on the run. I gotta find Bonefish Foley to catch me some. See, when it comes to bone fishing, he's number one. He's Bonefish Foley. He's so meek and lowly. Bonefish Foley. He's the one and only. Red Bay, Shallow Flats and Garden Key are his drops in the bite. He say that's where they does be. For many years he been taking out celebrities like US President Nixon. He's legendary. He's Bonefish Foley. Man so meek and lowly. Bonefish Foley. He's the one and only. At the shoreline as he cruise on in, hear the put off his boat engine. Seagulls gather to feed as they clean. The catch of the day goes fat and lean. Now Bonefish Foley, oh, he's so meek and lowly. Bonefish Foley, he's the one and only. Said I was born in Andros, but I live in West End. I'm on the sea almost every day, God send. If you come looking for fun and a place to rest, just visit Lover and Rosie at the Chicken Nest. Now Bonefish Foley, oh, he's so meek and lowly.